Connecting.
Nofa iwe chakara ntukuzika.
Koganga hati nkechi nenchi. MTN nofa chinanyi. Ndoni nitayone nanga yanje ninya prodi ngano sharo network. MTN nofa chinanyi. Oboko watani kotunoza kwechi nchumuga show network nugwe kurga. Nioni nkole chinyoba shamwe kana boku bona bondo mjaru. Nkole chikibemba mangu tuwa kuwasa network kuwa kujirijireo.
Kabaka mwanga.
Katonda wange.
Anyoni isa kubatera majume. Kamba tere customer care majume nyu. Noti kusansibwa nyo Mzee Byekwatso nyu.
Agambye ki?
Diraza basomu rushungu rwako. Ahai, echirungi yaraba mhatana za kujumire byata nyowe.
All our agents are currently busy. Please hold for the next available agent. Your call number 78.
Agambye ki?
Kongar hanga mwene chinechi abantu shanshuna mwana bona ndihontegerize. Oburushungu tinkurumanya hati ni mpinduranta. Konganiza kutegereza nyina ngumba shume kugamute mpaka hansi. Yakamwa kakafie kayaga nkana kabajuma. Nyina majume mbata hansi.
Katonda wange.
Thank you for staying with us. One of our agent will speak with you shortly. You are currently caller number 76. We apologize for keeping you waiting. One of our call representative will speak with you shortly. You are currently caller number 71. You are currently caller number 69. One of our customer representative will speak with you shortly. You are currently caller number 65. You are currently caller number 62. You are currently caller number 59. You are currently caller number 45. You are currently caller number 39. You are currently caller number 27.
Why would you do something like that? You be acting like you don't have brain.
Thank you for your patience. You are now caller number 1. The next available agent will speak with you.
Hello.
Oh, thank you for calling Konga. My name is Bukumeni.
Noni homo rushungu tafutere ngata nungambo rushungu yare bani ntegereze eshahe moyo na ntegereze muntu mwenda kunkwata. At MTN anyenda kumanyabwe nje numkwata mu network mbyaro. Tumugwe ni mbyaro tukosera ini yanyi. Nyina mungambira mazima kandi ngonda byo rushungu nyendo RUNYANKORE ningo Ruganda.
Agambye ki?
Na nyina mungambire sente za nyina mbasa kuzingara. Abugwa ni nkwata ntaho gibize mushanju. Ntahemi tware 5, ntahemi tware 8. Tumukubasa kuwata mukateza network anyoka napa. Nimo mwaza kumona wanasakaka tabana kayaga. Nomasa ku MTN ntembaho nimba tema mweno muka office ako kona kamuru. Noja ngumba rati kwamanya. Noja uti kwamanya. Bone gachiranga nenchi. Koka MTN nayo babira bayayi bansaraho. Ushina bono mamanya kutongana.
Wali owulidde ku Kampala katale edduuka epya eryakagulwawo mu Abu Dhabi United Arab Emirates wano wokka wosanga emmere yaffe ate ng'eri fresh okuva ewaka tutundira n'okusuubuza emmere omuli amatooke lumonde muwogo nsujju nyaanya ovakkedo binyeebwa balugu nanansi mayuuni bikajjo fene entula ebika byonna awamu n'ebirala bingi tusangibwa Abu Dhabi ku Hamdan Street okyamira ku Al Maria Mall mu maaso ga Russian Embassy ate mu abali mu kibuga Abu Dhabi tukutuusaako ebintu byo ku mulyango gwo oba mu office yo delivery tukubira ku simu zaffe +971 543 807 633 oba +971 559 775 130 oba +971 561 071 783 mwerimu abeetaaze delivery nze tufuna ku email yaffe kampalakatala@gmail.com eno e Kampala Katale edduuka epya eryakagulwawo mu Abu Dhabi eritunda byonna ebyokulya byaffe ebiva ku butaka mu Uganda.